A very good morning and a warm welcome to one and all present in this hall for the inaugural function of this two-day workshop on Laboratory Techniques in Zoology Part 1, organized by Department of Zoology under DBT Build. We are about to commence our event by lightening the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. Able Chief Guest, Professor M.K. Dhar, has graciously agreed to be present on the occasion, and I request him to do the honors along with Professor Seema Langar and Dr. Aarti Sharma.
Is currently the Director, Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research, ACSR, Ghaziabad. ACSR is an institution of national importance established by the Act of the Parliament. He served as the 13th Vice Chancellor of University of Jammu and also held the charge of Vice Chancellor of Cluster University of Jammu, Coordinator, Institute of Human Genetics, University of Jammu. He holds the PhD degree of University of Science in Biotechnology, acquired from the Kansas State University, USA, Penn State University, USA, Institute of Plant Genetics and Crop Plant Research, Germany, etc. The Professor Dhar was awarded many prestigious national and international awards and fellowships. He is a fellow of National Academy of Sciences, Allahabad, the oldest science academy of the country, and fellow of National Academy of Agricultural Sciences. He is a recipient of Hiralal Chakravarti Award of Indian Science Congress Association, Professor Y.S. Murthy Gold Medal by Indian Botanical Society, Boys Caste Fellowship of DST, Young Scientist Award, Medal by Indian National Sciences Academy, INSA, New Delhi, etc.
Dean Life Sciences and convener for today's workshop, I request Madam to present her welcome address to the audience.
Department of Zoology and my own behalf, I take this privilege to extend a very hearty welcome to everyone present over here. I welcome Professor Manoj Kumar Dhar, ex-Vice Chancellor, University of Jammu, and presently Director, ACSIR, and thank you, sir, for having spared your valuable time and graced this event. Apart from this formal designation, another most relevant introduction of Professor Dhar today is that he is in fact the person, the driving force, who has inspired us all and put in energy, time and wisdom to bring this DBT Builder program to the credit of the Faculty of Life Sciences and University of Jammu. Welcome you, sir, and assure that the entire Faculty of Life Sciences as a unit is working and will continue to work to fulfill the targeted objectives of this network project.
And all my fellow colleagues and participants from various colleges in the two-day workshop on Laboratory Techniques in Zoology Part 1 under DBT Builder program. This workshop aims to empower the participants with hands-on skill that align with one of the objectives of DBT Builder, that is to train the students and young faculty members in various tools and techniques related to conservation, breeding and rehabilitation. The prime motive of this workshop is to train young young minds with essential lab techniques that form the backbone of any research as well as the course curriculum of NEP. Our approach is rooted in the belief that true understanding comes from doing, and such workshops they bridge the gap between the theoretical. We have distinguished experts and facilitators with us who bring a wealth of knowledge and experience. Their guidance will not only enhance your technical proficiency but also inspire you to see beyond microscope. On the first day of workshop, we shall enter the realm of basic techniques in cytogenetics with practical trainings in chromosome slide preparation, karyotype and electrophoresis. On the second day, we shall embark on the journey to unravel the secrets of water and sediments through the lens of analytic techniques. We shall explore the techniques like titration, spectrophotometry to identify and quantify the ions. These analytic techniques will unveil the composition, contamination and characterization of water and sediments.
As a result of some studies which have been conducted in plants and some studies which have been conducted in animals. In fact, some of our concepts in genetics are only because of the studies in animals. So don't think that you are zoologists here and I should be only talking about animal examples. I will talk about plant examples as well because genetics belongs to both. And so is ecology. Ecology also belongs to. See this? Now, what people have done is they have developed, there are companies now. Companies have developed probes and they have prepared probe mixtures. That probe mixture will selectively go to, say for example, this probe mixture will go to chromosome number 1. So if you want to locate where is the problem, in which chromosome is the problem, so you use the whole genome paint. This is, are you able to see this painting? Black and white, but then they can be colored anytime. And just to tell you that how we could identify the gaps in these regions which appear to be very continuous. So this fiber fish done. Then this is another thanks to my collaborators in Germany, DBT. Obviously, they have supported this work all through. I am very grateful to DBT Government of India, collaborators, PhD students, and okay.
To draw up such bombastic words is just credible. Thank you so much. The way in which you have imparted this knowledge to us. Thank you, sir. From the organizers, we have a memento, and I request Head Department of Zoology, Professor Seema Langan, to present the memento to our key. And just small break. As a formal protocol, I humbly request Professor M.K. Dhar to once again address today's gathering, but in capacity of a chief guest for his credential address. Sir, please.
Workshop which is being conducted under the Builder program, which has been awarded to University of Jammu. First of all, let me congratulate the entire University of Jammu. In particular, the Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Seema Langan, the Dean Faculty of Life Science, for this Builder program. So this is a very prestigious program of Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. I remember that when in the year 2021, we sent an application to DBT for this Builder program. Under this Builder program, we were eligible for a grant of 5 crore rupees, but we had sent a proposal worth 10 crores that time. And the university that time decided that I should lead the program, so that is how this project was submitted. And in between from 21, as you know, we were in the COVID time, so this was something good which we did during the COVID time. Contrary to the belief of many people around that nothing was done in the COVID period, but let me say that many good things were done started during the COVID period, and I'm very happy that many of those are bearing fruits now, the trees which have been sown at that particular time. This was in a plant cell, which you will see in a human cell. Okay, same organization. Multidisciplinarity, even if you see NEP 2020, that also emphasizes the interdisciplinarity and multidisciplinarity nature. Now there are IITs who are going to open medical colleges. Now otherwise IIT was responsible only for producing engineers. But they are now going to start medical colleges of their own. They have their management departments. So similarly, university, for example, lucky as we are, that our university is a multidisciplinary institution already, and we have so many departments. So there's a lot of potential to have these kind of courses. You can select in NEP 2020. You can select not only your own subjects, but you can also select another subject from another faculty. For example, you may have a course on management. You may have to our Vikasit Bharat, as Honorable Prime Minister has said. You are the people who will be there in 2047, seeing the 100 years of our independence. Now, you should be prepared for the challenges which will come there for another 25 years or 50 years. So how do you prepare yourself? These are the areas, these are the courses where you can get that kind of knowledge, that kind of training. So I am sure that these courses will prove highly beneficial to not only the students but also to the faculty in upgrading their knowledge, in transacting that knowledge to their students, in training them further, in making them good human beings and good scientists of future. We need good scientists in this country, and it is you people, you the teachers, who can actually mold them into becoming a good scientist. Take science as a career, because not many students later take science as a career. But as I have shown you, it's a very exciting field. Science is very exciting. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
And from this podium, I, along with others who are associated or are part of this project, ensure you that the seeds sown by your hard work will be reaped successfully. Kindly keep guiding us and instructing us to do the right thing. Thank you, sir, once again. Now we conclude our inaugural function, and I request Dr. Ripu Daman to deliver his vote of thanks.
So many things from you, like today's lecture. I was very happy that the way you presented this invisible world and tried to seed the concept in the young minds, it's really learning for us. The chromosome painting, it was an interesting concept, and I think all of us liked it, and hope some of us will include it in our studies also. Sir, you spared your valuable time and graced this occasion. So, on behalf of Department of Zoology, University of Jammu, I thank you from the core of my heart. And then I would like to thank Professor Seema Langar ma'am, the convener of this workshop. Right from the beginning, she is monitoring all the things, guiding us, and taking care of all the arrangements we are doing for this workshop. So I'm thankful to her also. And then I'm thankful to Dr. Aarti Sharma, the organizing secretary of this workshop. She has also helped us, guided us, and always coordinating with the team of different members, committees, to make the proper arrangements and place everything in line to make this. We have faculties from different colleges. All of you are actually participating in this workshop. So on behalf of the department, I thank you all. And at last, the PhD scholars and the participants, because these workshops, these programs will be meaningless if there is not active participation from your side. But I have seen right from the beginning, lot of participants were not on time, but they were before time. This shows their curiosity and they want to learn, and that is the objective of such type of workshops. So our young researchers, they have made a beautiful rangoli also. So I thank to you also for contributing to this workshop. And at last, I would like to thank DBT, Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, for sponsoring this workshop. And the aim of such workshops is to percolate the scientific knowledge to the grassroots level through colleges, universities, and maybe later on it can reach to the school level also. So I hope you will enjoy a lot of things in the coming next day also. So thank you all. All is done.